Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be doing flight 5 of 13, or if you prefer, 3 of the last 30 hours. So yes, we're struggling a bit now. It's starting to get a bit frazzled. Today we're going to do 5 hours in business class, Fiji Airways, and we're doing Honolulu to Apia in Samoa. Do you want to see what it's like? So, I think it's probably time we had a little look at this lounge. This is the Admirals Club Lounge, which is the American Airlines lounge. It's also used by a number of other One World partner airlines, including Fijian, who we're travelling with today. And hilariously, we've been in here before. And it was one of the funniest things I remember for a long time, because we were in here with the kids. They were young teenagers, youngish teenagers maybe. And here's some of the food offering. It's getting quite late now. Anyway, the kids were here, and as you can see, it looks like it's self-serve. But if you try and self-serve, they get very, very cross. Very cross. In a nice way, of course. So when we were last in here, my kids thought that it was self-serve. So they went off behind the counter over there and started to help themselves to what was in the fridge and what was on the hot plates. And the staff came running out from the kitchen. Most irate it was. Very, very funny. Alright, anyway, here we are. You basically do not self-serve. You do not get your own things. And here's the things to choose from. And the salmon cream pasta is very good, apparently. So there we are, short but sweet. See you later. One of the reasons I like Honolulu Airport so much is that how many do you get enormous koi carp ponds outside while we are airside? Look at this, it's tremendous. Half the airport's inside, half the airport's outside, and it's all delightful. I like it. See you again soon. Well, it must be 26 years since I've flown Fijian. I was expecting a bit of a American Airlines rip-off. Not so much, actually. Seat tour time. I've got seat. What seat am I? 1F. So, here's my TV screen up on the wall. Here's my leg room, of which there is lots and lots and lots. Coming around, there are the recline functions. Now this is a Boeing 737 MAX 8, so it's not going to go full flat, but nonetheless it should give quite a bit of recline, power, headphones and headphone jack, remote control. Going around, going around, going around. Here's a rather funky pillow that was on the seat when we arrived, together with a blanket and an amenity kit, which we'll look at later. It's a late night here in Honolulu, but we'll be leaving shortly. And in here we have... Oh yes, we'll take a look at this. This actually is basically the same design as the American Airlines flight we were on earlier on today. But it does appear to be a bit of a better execution. And there's even... Yes, there is. This is good. This is very good. I'm enjoying myself. See you later. So, when we arrived at our seat, what did we get? We had a nice, soft blanket. I'm being told to say it's very soft. We were given a hot scented towel. Apparently these things are important. We also had a nice fluffy pillow. We had the headphones. And we also had the menu. Now the menu, here we go. So this, bearing in mind this is an 11 PM departure. So it's still nice to get a decent array of food. In the end, I've decided to go with the rye sandwich. I didn't bother with the appetizer. I did eat in the lounge, and probably an ice cream. And then just there's a sneak preview there of the Apia to Nardine menu, which we'll be having in a few days' time. But anyway, here's the wine list. But more exciting for me, look at that. Beer, Fiji Bitter. Yes, please. Okay, let's take a look at this Fiji Airways Amenity kit. Fiji Airways, it's rather nice actually. Yeah, nice little bag, and what's more, branded by Samsonite, so the zip probably won't work. If my experience is anything to go by. Oh, there you go, it worked this time. Right, we've got an eye mask. It's nice enough. It's not a British Airways one, but it's nice enough. We have some socks. They're actually decent quality, not too bad. Better than the American Airways ones. What have we got here? We've got, testing my eyesight, we've got body cream by Teology, no less. Keep rummaging. We have dental kit. Earplugs. Is that it? Is that it? No, it's not it. No, it's not it, British Airways. Are you looking? Look at this. It's a bamboo pen. However that is it. Well, that's pretty good. Yeah. So my meal has arrived, which is a pastrami sandwich with what looks like coleslaw and gherkins, bread, more bread. Good job I like bread. So I will admit I'm getting a bit frazzled now. 3 flights, 30 hours, yes. However, there are some things that are going to make me feel a bit better, and this is one of them. Yes, please. Thank you. Alright then, so let's have a look at this here entertainment. So here are some of the movies we've got on this flight. Lots of new stuff on here, so that's all good. Not put any favourites in yet, but maybe I'll look at that. Yeah, some good stuff there. Oh, Sinners. Oh, Sinners is on. Yeah, very good. I might watch that. Not seen that yet. Okay. What else can we do? We've got TV shows. Let's have a look. I'm using the remote control to control this rather than touching the screen, although it is touch screen. So let's have a look. Brilliant Minds. Yeah, okay. There you go. I don't know much about those, but we'll maybe have a little look at some of this stuff. Right. Let's get the important stuff. I want the map. Of course I want the map. What else would I want? It's the Panasonic system. I happen to know that. And yeah, so we can just get it to do a bit of a play. Well, we're not there, are we? We're all the way over there. All the way over there. Okay, we don't need to keep spinning the globe, surely. Alright, I'm getting fed up with that. I'll keep me out of mischief anyway. More later. Right then, so Wi-Fi is not really my sort of cup of tea, but nevertheless, some people will enjoy it. And in this half-full business class cabin, they've just handed out free complimentary Wi-Fi vouchers. So I've gone ahead and set that up. Let's see what sort of speeds we're getting. Bearing in mind we are literally over the Atlantic, so I'm not expecting much. In fact, are we expecting anything? Oh, there we go. Yeah, your ping is pretty high, as you would probably expect from this. No Starlink yet on here. What speed have we got? Have we got any speed? Ish. 1.8, 2, maybe at a push. I mean, it's not great, is it? But, you know, what do you expect? Upload. Well, when asked, I suppose. So not great, but there you go. It's free anyway. Well, 15 minutes to go till we land. And what about this flight then? Well, it was very nice. The first hour and a half was absolutely fantastic. The second 3 hours, 3.5 hours, maybe even 4 hours, I was mainly asleep. So it was a very quiet cabin. Not much more to say, to be honest. The stewardess made it very clear when we first got on board. She sat just over there. If we want anything, just go and talk to her. Sounds fair enough to me. There's only 5 people in business class here, so it's not like we were short of attention. So yeah, really nice flight this. I actually really dead surprised and dead happy. It's a good job it was a good flight, because we're on this Boeing 737 MAX 8 for about 3 more flights, I think it is, in this sequence. So yeah, good job. It's good fun, eh? Right, enough rambling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.